way we are, right into the jungle. We are headed to Khotigao Wildlife Sanctuary at the southernmost tip of Goa. We have picked this beautifully rustic jungle resort as our base camp. Amongst the welcoming committee is a very unusual host. He is perched guests way. He is safely released back into the wild. The goal today is to spot some monkeys. I love watching monkeys do their thing. They remind me of my childhood days when I used to go and visit my grandmother in the village. Please do keep an eye out if there are some wildcats stalking us. This area is known to have leopards and also bears. In fact, the locals here have mentioned while I set out on this trek that they were laying a trap close by for a tiger. But before that...
Okay, so while I'm taking up this tree house, I'm going to tell you about my greatest fears.
Heights. I am so fearful of heights. Not of this little tree house. More like this one. There are monkeys here for sure. There's one slinking into the trees. The trees are rustling. There are monkeys here for sure. Oh, there you are, my beauty. evening in the jungle is not complete without a dip in the pool and a bonfire.